In this video, you will learn how to fix invite problem in WhatsApp. Let's get started by ensuring your WhatsApp application is up to date. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Once you're in the Play Store, navigate to the search section. Here, type in WhatsApp and hit search. If there's an update available for WhatsApp, you'll see an option to update it right here. Go ahead and tap on Update to ensure you have the latest version installed. Now that your app is updated, let's move on to fixing any potential issues within the app itself. To do this, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will take you into your device's settings page. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Apps. Tap on that. In the Apps menu, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. Select the WhatsApp application from the list of results that appears next. Now you're on the WhatsApp app info page. Here's where some crucial troubleshooting steps come into play. Start by tapping on Force Stop. This action will close WhatsApp completely. Next, tap on Permissions. It's essential that all necessary permissions are granted for WhatsApp to function properly. After adjusting permissions, go back. Scroll down a bit until you see Storage. Tap on it. Here you'll find an option called Clear Cache. Tapping this will remove temporary files that might be causing issues with invite functionality. After clearing the cache, it's time to restart your device. Simply hold down your power button and select Restart. Once your device has rebooted fully, you should find that any invite problems within WhatsApp are now resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.